If space had sound, it would be terrifying. Imagine the vast emptiness. Technically, it's silent because there's no air to carry sound waves. But NASA has taken the eerie vibrations of space and transformed them into haunting audio. The sounds of black holes? They echo like a horror movie score. Distant planets? They resonate with an unsettling beauty that sends chills down your spine. It's not just about hearing, it's about feeling the weight of the cosmos. Comment space if you're curious but terrified. You don't hear space, you feel it. Subscribe to Scroll Snatchers for cosmic chills.